Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make my favorite pineapple salsa. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need a small can of pineapple slices, 20 chile de árbol, 5 tomatillos, 2 garlic cloves, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start by roasting our tomatillos and 4 pineapple slices, and the rest you eat them. Okay, and make sure that you rotate your tomatillos and pineapples. Okay, so once our tomatillos are fully roasted, we're going to transfer them into our blender cup along with 2 pineapple slices. The other 2 we're going to reserve them and set them to the side. Okay, so now we're just going to roast our garlic cloves and chile de árbol. And the chile de árbol, just be quick, so like that you don't burn them, because otherwise your sauce will be very, very bitter. So once you begin to smell the chile de árbol, remove them and place them to your blender cup. Okay, so once our garlic cloves are done, transfer them to the blender cup as well, and now we are ready to blend. Okay, to a blender cup we're also going to add 1/4 cup of pineapple juice and salt. I'm using 1 teaspoon. And now we're just going to blend. Okay, and once we have our salsa, now we are ready to transfer it to our bowl. Okay, so transfer it to your bowl. And to our bowl, we're also going to add our 2 pineapple slices that we reserved and just chop them into small pieces. And you can also add cilantro and chopped onion. So now just mix it. And just like that, we have our delicious pineapple salsa. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this salsa is perfect for your tacos al pastor or tacos adobada or any taco, even just with chips like that. And also keep in mind that the sweeter your pineapples are, the better your salsa is going to taste. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious. It's a little spicy, but the pineapple, it just makes it so good. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make my super easy and delicious pineapple salsa. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.